Have you ever wondered what would happen if a hole was drilled straight through the Earth? Imagine if science had the technology to drill a hole so deep that it went straight through the soil of India or Pakistan and came out on the other side of the Earth. Surprisingly, this hole would emerge from the sea near Mexico and Argentina, covering a total distance of 12,740 kilometers. Welcome to another video from Content Oasis. Many of us may have wondered why, if humans can reach Mars 55 million kilometers away, we can't drill a hole just 12,740 kilometers deep into the Earth. In this video, you'll learn about the deepest hole humans have been able to drill using modern technology and the largest drilling rig. Starting from the surface of the Earth, graves are typically dug 6 feet deep. Further down, at a depth of 20 feet, you'll find the mummy and treasure of the 3,000-year-old Egyptian king Tutankhamun. Metal detectors can detect metals in the ground at depths of up to 40 feet. At this depth, crocodiles can dig their own burrows, the deepest any animal has ever created. Further down still are the Paris catacombs beneath the French city of Paris. 6 million people were buried here several hundred years ago. This place was known as the Door of Hell, and entering it is considered illegal. Did you know that the world's deepest swimming pool is located in Dubai? Known as Deep Dive Dubai, this pool reaches a depth of 170 feet and contains a staggering 1.5 crore liters of water. But humans have gone even deeper into the Earth. At a depth of 318 feet, nuclear waste is buried. Further down, at a depth of 346 feet, lies the world's deepest metro station in the Ukrainian city of Kiev. To reach it, you have to use several escalators. At a depth of 400 feet, we find the deepest point that tree roots can reach. In South Africa, the roots of a fig tree have been seen at this depth. Below this point, at a depth of 720 feet, lies the bottom of the world's largest river, the Congo River in Africa. But humans have gone even deeper. At a depth of 790 feet lies the world's deepest train tunnel, the Seikan Tunnel in Japan, which connects 2 islands below the seafloor. Below that, at a depth of 928 feet, is the world's deepest road tunnel in Norway. This record was broken in 2019 by the Ryfast Tunnel in Rogaland, which reaches a depth of 958 feet below ground. Even further down, at a depth of 1,000 feet, structures are still vulnerable to nuclear warheads. These missiles are capable of destroying structures even at this depth. The world's deepest hand-dug water well is located outside a hospital in England, at a depth of 1,286 feet. This well was dug by hand over 4 years in 1862 to extract water for patients. But humans have gone even deeper into the Earth. At a depth of 1,980 feet lies the world's deepest vertical cave shaft, an interior view of a cave in Slovenia. Falling into this shaft would be like jumping off the Shanghai Tower in China. Further down, at a depth of 2,300 feet, 30 Chilean miners were trapped without food or water for 69 days. At a depth of 3,100 feet lies a man-made hole through which the open sky can be seen. This hole is so deep that even the tallest building in the world could fit inside it with room to spare. But humans have gone even deeper. At a depth of 5,387 feet lies the bottom of the world's deepest lake, Lake Baikal in Russia. Below that, at a depth of 6,000 feet, lies the bottom of the Grand Canyon. The world's deepest musical concert was held at a depth of 6,213 feet in Canada's Creighton Mine. The Shaft Bottom Boys performed this concert on March 7th. But the deepest cave in the world is even deeper. At a depth of 7,200 feet, this cave is located in Georgia. Humans have succeeded in going even deeper into the Earth. At a depth of 10,300 feet in Africa, it takes an elevator 4.5 minutes to reach the bottom. If someone were to fall into this shaft, they would remain in the air for a full 25 seconds before hitting the bottom. Further down, at a depth of 13,120 feet, lies the world's deepest gold mine. Also located in Africa, it takes miners an hour to reach the bottom, where the temperature is 66 degrees Celsius. But humans have gone even deeper. At a depth of 38,000 feet, the same height as Mount Everest and the cruising altitude of commercial airlines, lies the deepest hole ever created by humans. Known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole, this 23-centimeter wide hole was drilled by Russia in 1979 with the goal of reaching the center of the Earth. However, after 9 years of continuous drilling, they reached a point where the temperature was so high that it was no longer possible to continue. If a ball were thrown into this hole, it would take 50 seconds to reach the bottom. But even this record has been broken. In 2018, an oil company in Qatar dug a hole 40,318 feet deep in the Al-Shaheen oil field. This is currently the deepest hole inside the Earth, and no one has broken this record yet. Did you know that the core of our Earth, the center, is located approximately 6,371 kilometers below the surface? So far, humans have only managed to dig a hole 12 kilometers deep into the Earth. To put this into perspective, if Dubai represents the surface of the Earth, then Korea, 6,371 kilometers away, represents the center of the Earth. And we humans have only managed to dig a hole as deep as you can see. We hope you enjoyed this video from Content Oasis. Thank you for your kind comments and for sharing our video. We'll see you in the next one.